Welcome to day 3 of our 7-day English pronunciation challenge. Today, we're working on one of the most confusing sound pairs in English. The short I as in bit and the long E as in beat. If you've ever said the word beach and people laughed, well, this video is for you. Let's fix this together. First, let's start off by learning the difference between these two vowel sounds. Our first sound we have here is the short I, as in the word bit. That I sound goes I, such as bit, sit, live. Your mouth should be relaxed. Your lips should be neutral. And the sound is short and soft. Try saying I, bit, sit, live. Now let's look at the long E sound. The long E sound is said in words like beat, seat, leave. Now for the long E sound, your mouth stretches slightly into a smile and the sound is longer and higher. Try saying it. E, E, E. Now, we're going to try saying both sounds side by side. I, E, I, E. Let's practice some minimal pairs. I'll say each pair twice. Repeat after me. Bit, beat, bit, beat, ship, sheep, ship, sheep, live, leave, live, leave, slip, sleep, slip, sleep, fill, feel, fill, feel, it, eat, it, eat, hit, heat, hit, heat, grin, green, grin, green, lick, leak, lick, leak, sit, seat, sit, seat. Now, let's try some full sentences using both sounds. Repeat after me. I need to leave at 6. I need to leave at 6. He hit his hip on the seat. He hit his hip on the seat. Did the sheep sit in the ship? Did the sheep sit in the ship? Fill the bin before you feel tired. Fill the bin before you feel tired. She slipped into a deep sleep. She slipped into a deep sleep. Now, for today's challenge, I want you to choose 3 of today's minimal pairs and say them 5 times out loud. Record yourself saying the minimal pairs. You'll be able to hear your own mistakes and to start being able to fix the sounds faster that way when you see yourself on video. Thank you so much for joining me. Great work today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. You're building that muscle memory and improving your sound awareness, which is really important. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and to stay tuned tomorrow for day 4.